So, just a quick word on potentiometers. So, obviously these are very common items you'll see, components, often used for balance, volume controls, that sort of thing. And so I thought I'd just give you a quick look at them, just in case you didn't know anything about them. As you can see, they tend to have 3 legs on. There are some that have more. You could have 2 rows because you can adjust 2 at once, and they also come in a couple of different sort of types. So you can have one that increases on a logarithmic scale, or a linear scale, depending on your needs. So basically what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you on I've got a couple of meters hooked up here, and I'll show you basically what's happening. So we're measuring the resistance of this potentiometer, which is a 10k, 10,000 ohms, and you can see basically what's happening there. If I turn it fully round, you can see one is more or less 0 and one is measuring around about 10. So as I turn it down, one is decreasing, one is increasing. Okay, so basically what you can say there is you've got a, imagine this is like a center point, and it's sort of sliding from one end to the other. So if you're sliding nearer, say, the left-hand terminal, the resistance is smaller, and at the same time it's sliding away from the right-hand terminal, and therefore the resistance is increasing. So it depends how you wire it to exactly how you use that, but that's basically it. Obviously it uses some little carbon tracks in there which adjust the resistance as you go. They come in various sizes as well, and voltage, current carrying capabilities, so they're all sort of things you have to consider. They can be mounted various different ways as well. But that's basically it. It's quite a straightforward thing. I mean, sometimes if you just want to vary a voltage, you might not even need both sides. You can just use one side like that, depending on which way round you want it to go. So if you're turning it clockwise, do you want the resistance to increase or decrease? And that's about it, really. But just a quick intro in case you wonder what these things were, and but certainly very, very useful everyday devices. Cheers.